The media and the government, whether they need to do anything on their part to improve the current environment, assuming that the MFIs do their part of it. Well, what has certainly happened is that in the recent past, the MFIs have made some attempts to deal with the concerns, the issues which have been raised all along. I recall a meeting which Mr. Maini had with us about 3 months ago. He talked about pricing, he talked about collection practices, he talked about executive compensation, and so on. And in point of fact, just last week, we had a meeting with the 5 largest MFIs in AP, and they agreed formally, to cap pricing at 24% effective. On collection practices, again, we reinforced the need for following the code of conduct and also more training for the staff. We have been in conversation with IIBS in Bombay for quickly rolling out a capsule training for the field staff. Similarly, on compensations, there was agreement, and I repeat, formal agreement, that this will now follow whatever are the RBI norms which are set now. So really, the industry has tried to respond. Obviously, between making a statement today and actual execution, implementation on the ground, there would be some patches of time. And I would like to assure everybody that this is not about keeping it open-ended. This is about doing it and doing it fairly quickly. The media really, I think, for the most part, has been, as was a phrase used, gone berserk. And there is, I think, a need to be much more responsible in terms of how you deal with this. This is not about a story any longer. This is about the fate of a whole sector. This is about financial inclusion. This is about the lives of millions and millions of our people here. So I think the media needs to now treat this as not just a story, something to sensationalize. This has to be done in a much more responsible fashion as we go along. The government, of course, I think that's a conversation we've been having for some time now. And I go back to my first comment that yes, the central government must come in, must put together an overarching framework of regulation for the sector and de-risk the sector from state-level interventions.